Now I'm gonna rip the band-aid off here. Are you ready? All right.
Mhm.
So if none of this connects for you, let me help you out. State funded pre-K is here. You have to be competitive. So the days of not marketing and just waiting for a referral from somebody who goes to your program are over. If you don't get that, I'm sorry to tell you, but your long-term plan is not going to work out. So Ari's laughing at me, and it's okay because we only speak truth on this show.
That's it.
So get ready to do some form of marketing. There is, paid marketing, there is free marketing, there's collaborative marketing. There are lots of different choices. But you have to do something, and you have to do it now. Don't wait, because I don't want any more childcare centers to close. So
Yeah.
we are here at the Childcare Director's Chair to be your voice. We're going to bring on as many experts as we can to help you in every area you need, because some people might be really great at marketing, but maybe you're not good at finance. Maybe you're not good at something else. So we're going to bring the best of the best on the show for you. Please tell a friend, tell a colleague, hit the subscribe button, and help support what we're doing here, because we want as many childcare centers to make it for the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, forever. We're building legacies. Go
And
ahead.
we are having at Childcare Business Mastery, we are having a free childcare enrollment challenge. We do 4 for the whole year. And so we are doing one from August 19th to August 23rd. And so if you are interested, go to www.childcarebusinessmastery.com. And at the top of the website, there is a link that you click and you can sign up for absolutely free. It's 5 days where I'm going to teach live teaching. And I get down into everything that you need to do right now to get traffic at your center right now. Also, if you would like to book a call, you can go to www.childcarebusinessmastery.com and you can book a call, and we can get on the call for about 45 minutes and find out what's going on in your business.